Hey fellas, I know a lot of you are waiting to see how the tranny goes. I just want you to know I just got the block back from machining, and I'm in the middle of engine assembly, even as we speak. Um, I didn't cut any corners on the block. Everything had to be balanced. Kind of a spared no expense, make it as good, if not better, than new motor. Um, and I'm going back together now with it. I got the crank and everything in on the bottom side and the camshaft. Let me show you something really interesting. So by the time I pay all the money to have my head done, I just bought a new head. I don't know if this is a Cosmoline and stuff, but the head and the valves and everything are brand new. So this is a brand new casting, brand new springs, brand new everything. The only thing that's not brand new, for some weird reason, is they use the keepers out of the old valve. So I'm like, okay, whatever. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure who made this, but I got the casting for $450, and the springs and the valves and everything, I think I'm around $650, $700 for a brand new head, and it would have been the same if I would have done the other head, because the issue with the other head was I needed all new valve seats. So the machining started to get expensive to do valve job and put in valve seats and then get new valves. So by the time you paid for all the labor, it was just about a wash. So I just said, screw it, do new head, new everything. Now let me tell you something really interesting. So this is where the OPDA goes in, right? My gears, it's a brand new OPDA. Let me find it over here. And it's like brand new, and it's the updated one. But because I put it in on the old cam, sorry for the sun. It's not focusing, is it? God, that's so annoying. I'm using my new cell phone. Here, let me try this. See how the gear, because my old cam was worn funny, these gears wore funny. And I don't want to put this in on a new camshaft, so I ordered a new one, but I'm going to keep this one as a trail backup. But I want this gear to wear brand new on the brand new cam, so I'm just not going to use it. But you can see this thing probably has less than 200 or 300 miles on it. As a precautionary measure, I updated this one because I still had the factory one at 92,000. So that's an FYI if you do this. I think it's important that this gear wears even on a brand new camshaft. And everything is high-end stock internals on this. So I'm using a lot of milling parts, all made in USA. All the machining was just like really top of the line machining by some speed shop that does a lot of nice stuff. So in with the Pistons. So they measured everything. I mean, I have dial bore gauges and all that, but they measured, you had to press the pistons press on to the pins. This is a 20 over motor. Do this without dropping it, so you can see it's a 20 over set, because my cylinders were actually, I could still see factory crosshatch in my cylinders. So I just went 20 over. All my rods, you can see how they're shaved here. This is the cap portion of the rod that you shave when you balance. So the entire rotating mass was balanced. USA made timing chain. Everything balanced. The crankshaft was balanced. It's what they call a 1010 crankshaft. Because I had wear lines in it, I think they took it down 10 thousandths, and then I think you get oversized bearings. Cam spins beautiful, crank spins beautiful. You can see the lines in the bearings where they bore gauged and measured everything. I told them I could assemble. I just need perfect measurements, and they said that's easy. So this is where we're at. So I'm off all week, and I hope to have this thing on the road by the end of next week. But I just wanted to give you a quick update. All right, be safe. Have an amazing Thanksgiving. Later.